friends, today I am going to explain about tortious liability. What is tortious liability? It arises when a person commits a civil wrong that causes harm to another. There are different types of torts, which are like negligence, nuisance, trespass, and defamation. Let me explain the essential elements of tortious liability, which are duty of care, breach of duty, and damage. What is duty of care? Duty of care means legal obligation to avoid causing harm. Breach of duty means failure to meet that obligation, and damage is actual harm or injure caused. And we have to arrive to the purpose and remedy of the tortious liability. The purpose of the liability is to compensate the injured party rather than punish the wrongdoer, and the remedy would be mainly monetary compensation for the damages caused, and sometimes injunctions also. Injunctions means court orders to stop an act. Let me explain furthermore with the famous Rylands versus Fletcher's case. This particular case brought the rule for strict liability. The case goes by Thomas Fletcher owned a mine. John Rylands built a reservoir on his land. Water from the reservoir burst through old mine shafts and flooded Fletcher's mine. Fletcher sued Rylands for the damage caused by the escaping water. In the court, plaintiff, that is Fletcher, asked for the compensation for the damage and stated that the damage is caused by Rylands. The defendant, that is Rylands, said that he is not responsible and it could be engineer's fault to check the property. The court held that the defendant is liable, that is, Rylands is liable for the damage of the Fletcher's property because a person who brings something onto their land is likely responsible if it escapes. So, the defendant, that is Rylands, is liable for the damage. So, from this case, we can clearly learn about the tortious liability and the strict liability. What are all the legal impact in Reynolds and Fletcher's case? Defendants are strictly liable to harm caused by the escape of hazardous substance. It could be water, or it could be even a gas, that is produced in your own land, or it could be anything. Whatever is escaping, hazardous element is escaping from your land, then you are completely responsible for it. Duty to keep potential dangerous activities under strict control, and this case laid the foundation for the rule of strict liability in English law. And friends, we have come to the end of the video and hope this video is helpful and you'd have learned about tortious liability. And if you're having any queries or legal genuine doubts, you can post it in the comment section, and if it is legally genuine and valid, and I can try to explain it another case law. So let's interact in the comment section and like, subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.